Hey, welcome to another adventure in old code. My brother's here again.
Hello again.
Today we are going to look at probably the first two-player game, probably the first and only two-player game I ever made. And it is called Facegame. Facegame. Joey's mover-arounder thingy.
Ah, yes.
Oh yes, and I look at this. Look at this.
What in the world are those?
Clearly, I hadn't learned to raise yet. I think.
Well,
Actually, I don't know what those are.
let's run it and see what happens.
Let's do it. Okay, so here it is. Here's the screen. Now, you've got two faces. One's a white face up in the top right, and one's a black face.
Oh.
So you've decided to play the white face.
The arrow keys appear to move the white face.
And the WASD move the black face. Now, the goal of the game...
I believe I won.
Yes.
Press enter. Oh, it restarts.
Yeah, so the goal of this game is the white guy is trying to get to the diamond.
Ah.
And the black guy is trying to get the white guy.
Ah.
Good guy beat the crap out of the bad guy.
Okay.
But
okay. Attempt to win here.
Bad guy won. Oh, no, I was totally wrong. How dare you not? Okay, so...
Let me get this straight. The good guy
is trying to get the bad guy, and the bad guy, who's the black guy, is trying to get the diamond. Can you step on the diamond? That's bizarre. Anyway, but clearly, I guess that diamond is something I want to steal or something as the bad guy, and so I'm going to come and steal it, but you're trying to get me. Oh, good guy beat the crap out of the bad guy.
I see. Yeah.
And then time. Oh, yeehaw.
The bad guy won. Okay.
See, my games are so much simpler than yours.
Well, this was the first thing that was basically a game.
And I think, I mean, these you can't go into the wall.
That's
and these obstacles.
You were saying.
What?
I believe you broke the game.
Oh my goodness!
Don't worry, I beat the crap out of you.
What happened?
So there is a glitch.
Can you go into the obstacles?
Okay. Oh.
There's a serious glitch here.
Okay.
I don't remember that at all.
Beat the crap out of you, and then. Okay. Now I recall when you first made it so that the screen was just blank with one of these faces and the arrows moved him around like so. There was nothing else on the screen, just the face moving around. And we thought it was the most incredible thing ever. Like just the absolute most amazing thing known to man.
Yep.
Because that's when we understood the full potential that we could actually make games.
You're saying that this was like...
I mean, there were other games that you made where it's like guess the number and
sure.
text based, but moving around a guy on the screen with arrow keys, this I believe is the first time.
And it could have been because this isn't graphics mode. These are just ASCII characters. So this isn't screen mode 0. And there are two faces that are ASCII characters. Everything's an ASCII character.
See, I'm chasing. Oh no, he's deked me out.
Ha! Bad guy won. Okay, let's see what this code has to offer us.
Alrighty.
Oh, you know what?
There.
Awesome. Thank you. Whoops. Okay. It, okay, there's no subroutines in this program at all. This must have been very early on.
Yes, this was very early.
Okay, so I got 2 words, color 11, which is that nice bright cyan. There's a do loop, and there is like 10 values for A and 10 values for B. This should have been an array, but I probably didn't know anything about arrays yet. Symbol, char, letter 2, randomizing the timer. So this 1 to 73 is, I'm printing this is the border of the screen. So there's 73 blocks, and a block was character 177.
Right.
And then from 1 to 21, the next 21 rows, print a block at the beginning, and then move over. That tab was like move over that many spaces and print another block. So that's doing the 2 vertical walls. Locate 2, 1, and print a block. Why did I do that? Why did I do another block?
That's for the vertical side. Then locate 22, 1, which
Yep.
is near the bottom of the screen.
And then do that. Okay.
The bottom wall.
Right. Couple of, a lot of, oh my goodness. These are the coordinates for the obstacles.
That makes sense.
So A and B, I mean, I should have used X and Y, but oh my.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. So all the A's get a random number between, it's going to eventually be like 3 and 75. And the B's are going to get random numbers between 3 and 22, I guess, or yeah.
And the reason you can't simply print random blocks on the screen is because the program needs to make sure that we don't step on those same locations.
That's right.
Which
That's right.
clearly didn't work. But I remember it working, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, good point. We need to calculate these random coordinates and then store them. So here oh my goodness. Locate the 4,
Yeah.
print a block. The 5th one, print a block. So I go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whatever happened to 1 through 3?
1 through 3.
They are
There's 3. Oh,
missing in action.
okay, hold on. Word and word 2. So character 2 and 1.
These are the faces.
These are the faces. Yeah. So we can actually go to the ASCII character codes here. So there's 1. There's 2. And 177. What we've been using down here, right here, is the...
And 4 will be the diamond.
4 is going to be the diamond. Yep, there we go. So it's a card suit. Okay, so the 3... Okay, so...
I figured it out.
Yeah, 4 through 10 are obstacles. 3
is the diamond.
Is the diamond. And the first one is the white-faced head or the black-faced head, one of the faces. So 1 and 2 are the 2 faces, 3 is the diamond, 4 through 10 are the obstacles. And boom, you have all your random coordinates. So if you...
Oh my, look at that if. So this is if the first player attempts to walk off the screen.
Yep.
You allow it, but then you draw over him and move him back. And then
Yep.
you do the exact same thing if he tries to walk off the screen the other way.
Absolutely.
This is the inefficiency of this code is amazing.
It's not only amazing, it's awesome without the E. So then I do the same thing for the A's, which ends up being the column column numbers.
And then you
and
got
then I
to do
gotta
the
do it
same
with the
thing
second,
for the second player. And of course, you just copied and pasted all that code and changed the index,
Absolutely. Why not?
which is what I did for most of my programming. Whereas you moved on to more sophisticated methods.
That's not for a long time from now. This is already one of my more sophisticated methods right here. I like this. The CHR string 0 plus K. See, I like using the arrow keys where you prefer the number pad for your movements.
That's because first, you get more buttons on the number pad, and second, I just didn't know how.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
0 plus K, how does that work?
Well, the arrow keys were defined as a 2 symbol or a 2 code symbol. So CHR string 0 is the null character, and then you add K to it, and that's like up. That's the predefined up code. So it's a way of capturing the arrow keys. So this is grab an input. If it was the up arrow, then change the position of the first player. If it was down, move them down. I think that's up and down. That could be left and right. I don't know which one's which.
It's impossible to tell with these A's and B's.
Yeah. But then if it was A, or if it was big A or little a, then the other player. So what happens is you can't both hit the same button or hit a button and keep it pressed and have both your guys move.
That's right. When you saw us playing, we were rapid fire clicking.
Yep.
Not just holding the button down like a normal game.
So if B equals B2 and A equals A2, so the faces collide, that's when the good guy beats the crap out of the bad guy. And otherwise, if B equals B4 and A equals A4, or B2 equals B4, then A2 equals A4. So if anyone hit the diamond, just press any key to continue. I guess that's a draw. If B equals B5, see, B5 was one of the obstacles.
Yes.
So if one of the players, if either player hits the obstacle 5, press any key to continue.
But only the fifth at 7. Precisely what's going on here.
So I think what we're seeing is that the obstacles are actual hindrances to completing the game properly. So you had to efficiently circumnavigate the obstacles if you wanted to actually win. There were way more like draw situations than not. Otherwise, if B equals B3 and A equals A3, so that's the first player is on top of the diamond.
The diamond, I believe, was, yes, A3.
Yeah.
Then the bet.
Then do nothing. But if the second player got on the diamond,
then the
bad
bad
guy won. How dare you not? And we loop until we hit escape or enter, or either one of those, or enter. See here, in the different loops, like in this loop, I looked at letter. In this loop, I looked at CHR string, and so I had, anyway, whatever. Why I did what I did. So if you hit escape, you end. If you hit enter, or letter 2 is not null, then press any key to continue. It's just really weird stuff. So yeah.
Very clumsy code.
Extremely clumsy, but that was Facegame. That was awesome. Man, I wish I had known arrays. Cool. Well, this has been a fun adventure in old code. Thanks for joining us. Have a nice day. We'll see you next time.